What's up, installers? 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe. We're going to show you how to take these speakers out of the front doors and replace them with your own. If this is what you're into, please consider subscribing or following, because this is what we do here at the channel. Anything car audio or install related, that's what JP the Install Guy is all about. So first thing you want to do is come over here into this pocket, get something that's going to be able to pull up this little rubber mat. And even though that's dirty, there is a Phillips head screw right behind there. Then I want you to come right here to this pocket. We're gonna remove that door, and boom, we have one more Phillips head screw right there. I want you to come right up here to this top part. We're gonna take our panel removal tool. We're gonna pop that off. Now we can go ahead and disconnect this tweeter if we want to, but in taking the door off, this can just hang over and I think it'll be okay. Now let's go ahead and get this one and this second Phillip out. That we have those bolts out, I want to come right here and use my hand just to see if hand pressure is enough. Good God, it might not be. Panel removal tool, get back behind, pop that clip, pop that clip. Now I can use my hand. There we go. Seems that all came down. Now as far as this, we're going to press this in. That's going to be your handle and your lock. Pull up and out like that. Then we're going to disconnect all these harnesses. Next, we have the speaker harness right here. We're going to go ahead and unplug it. We have 4 T20 Torx. Let's go ahead and take these out. And there we have that speaker. Next, we want to take our speaker bracket. Notice that we have one little notch right here and one notch right there. That's going to line up with these 2 notches over here. Now that those are lined up, we're going to take those same 4 T20s and mount this in. So we'll take our speaker harness, plug that in like that. So by using our speaker harness, we are already done with this installation. All we have to do is put this in and mount 4 screws into it, kind of like so. And there you have it. We have that Kenwood 6.5-inch speaker mounted in, and it is ready to go. So I will make sure I try to put all the product links in the description for you guys. At this time, I want to give a special shout out to Rex Rung and Matt Franklin, along with 28 other Patreons who decided to support the channel. You guys didn't have to, but you found enough value in these videos to go a little bit further than just hitting the like and sharing and subscribing, and it is greatly appreciated. Everything that you guys do really goes a long way with me. At the end of the day, if you did find some value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. This your boy JP signing out. God bless you, and whatever you do, make sure you keep going and keep growing. Peace.